I want to portray an Indian woman to the best of my ability. And there could be nobody else that I could think of but my mom. Because I'm raised by a fierce Bengali mother. I've seen the way my mother has struggled. I've seen the way she has brought us up. And that is what I wanted to capture the essence in Devika's character. ये फिल्म की शूटिंग कर रही थी, अधीरा मेरे साथ एस्टोनिया में थी और पैंडेमिक की वजह से शी वाज डूइंग होम स्कूलिंग. इट वाज चैलेंजिंग फॉर हर, सो व्हेनेवर आई केम बैक होम आई ट्राइड टू बी her mom, you know, and give her whatever she wanted out of her.
मुझे ये बताइए, करियर की शुरुआत से आपने हमेशा जो रोल्स पोर्ट्रे किया है, राजा की आएगी बारात हो या फिर हिचकी हो या फिर ब्लैक हो, मैं कितनी फिल्मों का नाम लूँ, या मिसेस चैटर्जी, तो फिल्म के साथ साथ आपके जहन में क्या होता है जब आप एक स्क्रिप्ट साइन करते हो या एक्सेप्ट करते हो? क्या वो बात है जो वो टिक मार्क कहाँ से आता है?
जोईता, मुझे हमेशा से ये दिखाना अच्छा लगता है कि हम जो हिंदुस्तानी औरतें हैं बहुत स्पेशल होती है. और मुझे हिंदुस्तानी औरतों का जो किरदार है, जो मैं किरदार प्ले कर सकती हूँ स्क्रीन पे, या मैं उनको एक ग्लोबल ऑडियंस तक पहुँचा सकती हूँ, मुझे हिंदुस्तानी लड़कियों का किरदार और जो इतने सारे जो कैरेक्टर्स मुझे मिलते हैं, हुआ सो इंस्पायरिंग. So I like to portray them, and that is my trigger with each film that I sign, that when a character comes to me, I want to know whether I am inspired by this character. Am I looking up to her? Is there something about her that I love, that I need the other people to also know? And that's my trigger in every film of mine. I want to portray an Indian woman to the best of my ability. That when a global audience is watching a film, they know what Indian women are all about.
जब आप मिसेस चैटर्जी कर रही थी रानी, ये एक कहानी है, ये एक माँ की जर्नी है जो सागरिका ने लिखा है. क्या आपने बुक पढ़ा था या आपने जब ये कहानी सुनी थी, कितनी नज़दीक आप आ पाई सागरिका के? बिकॉज आई रिमेंबर सागरिका सेड दैट, यू नो, शी क्राइड एंड शी सेड दैट रानी मैम ने जो किया है, मतलब आई कैन नॉट आस्क मोर फ्रॉम दिस फिल्म.
So for me, I think it was very important, Joita, to understand her journey and what she went through personally, because it is a very, very difficult journey that she had embarked on, and all by herself, fighting a nation, fighting a husband, fighting her own people, to just bring her children back, because she believed that she didn't do anything wrong, and she believed that she needed her children back, and she was wronged. You know, she believed in that, and she never gave up. So as a Bengali, as a mother, I related with that aspect of Sagarika. So when we talk about immigrant Indians or Indians living abroad, we never picture them in distress. We never picture them that they are going through a problem. We always think that they're better off. You know, we never think that they can go through any challenges. You know, and this was the first time that I said, really, an Indian family had to go through this injustice in a foreign country. So that was my trigger. I was like, how did this even happen, and how is it that it didn't make everybody know about this story? So I felt that somewhere, in spite of the extensive coverage, it still didn't reach a lot of people. And maybe when this trailer came out, Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway, suddenly there was so much of chatter about these stories, about the fact that children are taken away from their parents, and all these things started coming. So for me, this is what I live for as an actor, that if through my film, if there is a bigger chat that can take place, a bigger conversation that can lead to this, I think it'll be wonderful.
अब जब परिवार जो बाहर जा रहे भी होंगे, आपको लगता है कि वो थोड़ी डरना नहीं चाहिए, सतर्क होना चाहिए?
Definitely.
So
I think it's always better to know what you're getting into. You know, blindly आप चले जाओगे, आपको rules regulations नहीं पता है, you don't know how that country is going to embrace your culture, because see, diversity and immigrant issue is the talk of the global chatter today, you know, and it's so important to you know, accept different cultures and really embrace diversity in a way that one should feel comfortable in it, not fight it.
रानी, आप कह रही थी कि देविका में आपने अपनी माँ को देखा है। आपने अपनी मम्मी को हमेशा वर्क फ्रंट में जब भी आप होती थी, हमने भी देखा है कि वो हमेशा आपके साथ होती थी, प्रोटेक्ट करना, देखना कि एवरीथिंग इज़ राइट। तो वो आज आप जब आप पीछे मुड़कर देखती हैं या याद करती हैं, तो व्हाट कम्स इन योर माइंड?
सो फॉर मी देविका का कैरेक्टर जो था, मुझे ऐसी एक इंस्पिरेशन चाहिए थी जो कि वेस्ट बंगाल में मतलब पड़ी बली है, और जो हु इज़ वेरी वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हर रूट्स, वेरी सीप्ड इनटू हर ओन कल्चर, and there could be nobody else that I could think of but my mum, because I'm raised by a fierce Bengali mother. I've seen the way my mother has struggled, I've seen the way she has brought us up, and मुझे ऐसा लगा कि देविका में मुझे मेरी मम्मी इसलिए नज़र आई क्योंकि as a Bengali mother I couldn't channel myself in it, because I'm not a Bengali mother, so to speak, because I'm born and brought up in Bombay. So the way I'm bringing up Adira is slightly different than what my mother has brought me up like. But it was important for me for Devika to have a clear characterization of being a Bengali who's born and brought up in West Bengal. And you would know that because you might be having relatives in West Bengal. People from West Bengal have a very distinct way of talking, very distinct way of how they are. And that is what I wanted to capture the essence in Devika's character.
रानी, was it taxing to portray a character like that, जो इतना सारा स्ट्रेस से गुजर रही है उसका किरदार, और देन यू आर अ मदर? तो आप कभी बैक एंड फोर्थ कभी हुआ है, या आप बच्चे मतलब आकर के गले लगाना, एंड देन यू नो आई डिड दैट इन माय डॉटर?
सी फॉर मी एज एन एक्टर, मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि हम जो अभिनय करते हैं या हम जो किरदार निभाते हैं वो हमारी एक अलग लाइफ है, जो हमारी लाइफ पर्सनल है. It will be very unfair on our loved ones to be able to get that baggage onto, because at the end of the day जो मेरी लाइफ है वो मेरी लाइफ है, जो किरदार मैं निभा रही हूँ वो उसकी लाइफ अलग है. तो मैं हमेशा यही कोशिश में रहती हूँ कि मैं जब वो किरदार में हूँ, जब वो सेट पे हूँ, तो आई एम कम्प्लीटली देयर, और जब मैं घर पे हूँ आई हैव टू प्ले द रोल दैट आई एम सपोज टू प्ले, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्योंकि जब मैं ये फिल्म की शूटिंग कर रही थी, अदीरा मेरे साथ एस्टोनिया में थी, और पैंडमिक की वजह से शी वॉज डूइंग होम स्कूलिंग. सो ऑलरेडी अदीरा वॉज ऑल्सो डीलिंग विद अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर बिकॉज ऑफ द टाइम डिफरेंस. शी हैड टू वेक अप एट 6 in the morning to do school and also Estonia was very very cold, so waking up at 6 in the morning and doing homeschooling, so it was also a lot of pressure on her, you know, like taking her away from Bombay and changing her entire schedule and everything. So it is a little challenging. It was challenging for her. So whenever I came back home, I tried to be her mom, you know, and give her whatever she wanted out of me. So जिस दिन फिल्म से मुझे एक दिन छुट्टी मिलती थी, it was revolved around what Adira wants to do.
आपने अपनी ज़िंदगी में फियरलेस काम कितना किया है? आई एम श्योर taking up scripts like this is one of the biggest thing. Apart from that, if you want to share.
I think as a woman, we've been fearless all our life, you know, and not many women will acknowledge it, but they have also been fearless in their own way, you know, because we have to, like our growing up years has been full of that, you know. There have been instances of how to tackle a stranger, how to tackle attention, you know, different things in our lives that we've had to, you know, tackle very fearlessly. And biggest thing is childbirth.
Thank you so much, Rani. And Mrs. Chatterjee एक बार फिर लोगों के दिलों में घर बना चुकी है, ट्रेलर के ज़रिए, फिल्म के ज़रिए भी बना गया. आई एम श्योर बिकॉज पीपल लव यू नो मैटर आप कितने भी बाद आए, जो मैं पहले भी कह रही थी. पीपल वेट फॉर योर वर्क एंड यू हैव ऑलवेज मेड देम हैप्पी एंड स्माइलिंग.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you.